So we will draw PV and TS diagram for this cycle, pressure versus volume and temperature versus entropy. That is PV and TS diagram for these all four processes. So here I have taken pressure and volume, temperature and entropy diagrams. The first process is what? Process 421. I have taken it as first process, heat addition process. So heat addition process in the cabin, that is evaporator space, that is at constant pressure process. It is constant pressure process. I have written here. So first I will draw one constant pressure process, that is 4 to 1. So next second process, during 4 to 1 the temperature increases, then temperature will be represented on TS diagram that we will discuss while plotting on temperature versus entropy. So during heat addition 4 to 1, P1 is equal to P4. So P1 is equal to P4 here. I would write here P1 is equal to P4. Then second process is reversible adiabatic compression process. Adiabatic compression process, during which the temperature increases as well as the pressure also increases and volume should decrease. So 1 to 2 I will represent it with volume should decrease. So we will start from point number 1. Volume should decrease as well as the pressure should increase. So here it is 1 to 2. Here volume is 2 at point number 2 and pressure is P2. So pressure increases, volume decreases. So here what type of process it is? It is called reversible adiabatic process. Reversible adiabatic compression process. Here it is a heat addition process. Heat addition. This is heat addition. So now third process. What is the name of third process? Process 2 to 3, heat rejection process. So during heat rejection process, again that pressure is constant during the process. So I will represent with one horizontal line. Constant pressure process, arrow mark is towards left, because during cooling process, we will see here, during cooling process the high volume, again there is chances of condensing here, so volume is decreasing. Next fourth process is that is in the expander process. So 3 to 4 is reversible adiabatic expansion in the expander or expansion device. So that is 4 to, from here 2 to 3, so 3 to 4 is expansion process. That here 3 to 4 is expansion in the expander, reversible adiabatic expansion process. So P3 should be more than P4. So P3 should be more than P4. So here what is during 2 to 3, it is a heat rejection process, that is QR. Here heat is added, heat supplied. Okay, work is done on the compressor during 1 to 2, and during 3 to 4 it is expansion process. So this is a representation of PV diagram for Bell-Coleman cycle or reversible Brayton cycle. So PV diagram. Now we will draw the TS diagram simultaneously. Here TS diagram, first process 4 to 1. So I will start from 4 to 1. So heat addition process. So during heat addition, the temperature will be more than T4. The outlet of the evaporator temperature will become more than T4. So I need to increase the temperature from 4 to 1. So I will take, this is point number 4, starting point. Here is the starting point. So this air is entering into the evaporator, increasing the temperature at outlet. So 4 to 1. So 4 to 1 is increasing. Next, second process, next 1 to 2, reversible adiabatic compression. So reversible adiabatic compression is also called isentropic process. So entropy remains constant. So So 1 to 2, you have to draw one vertical line, entropy remains constant. Here I will take this with this color pencil, 4 to 1. So now during 1 to 2, entropy remains constant, 1 to 2. Here entropy S remains constant, S1 is equal to S2. Now during third process, what is the name of the third process? Heat rejection process. Again it is at constant pressure. So during constant pressure, process will be represented by curved line, just like 4 to 1. But here temperature should decrease. In the 4 to 1 heat addition, temperature increased. Heat supplied, temperature increases. Here it is T4. And after end of the heat addition, temperature is T1. T1 is greater than T4. But in the during heat rejection process, the temperature should decrease. So I will represent with a downward arrow mark. Okay. Now here I will write here it as heat rejection. So during heat rejection process, initial temperature is T2. It is more. The end of the process, it will become less. What is that name temperature? I will take 2 to 3. So 2 to 3. Again the fourth process is isentropic expansion. Then I will join this line. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So this is the representation of Bell-Coleman cycle on TS diagram. Here I will write it is compression process. What is 3 to 4? Expansion process. So during 3 to 4, again entropy remains constant, S3 is equal to S4. So highest temperature is T2 and the lowest temperature is T4. So in the exam, if they ask you explain, how the question will be asked in the exam, explain the working principle of air refrigeration or Bell-Coleman cycle or reverse Brayton cycle with PV and TS diagram. So you have to draw this diagram and you have to explain what with some words, some sentences, and you have to represent these 4 processes and you have to draw this PV diagram. So next video lectures we will draw and we will derive an expression for COP of Bell-Coleman cycle. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.